We're on a popular Romford test route, approaching Brewery car park to our right. ALFIE'S Driving School offers expert driving lessons in Romford with both manual and automatic driving instructors. Whether you are a complete beginner wanting to learn to drive in Romford or you just need some refresher lessons, we have you covered. At the roundabout, we're going to follow the road ahead, second exit. As you can see, the signpost indicates we need to approach the centre lane, checking our mirrors in good time. Being cautious with the blue car, safe to let them move across, just hold back. This particular roundabout is tricky, as when you enter the roundabout you need to move over into the left hand lane, but some of the vehicles in the left hand lane choose to follow the roundabout ahead as well. So just checking our left door mirror, indicating left just after the first exit, and then moving over in good time. Being very cautious ahead. We've got a couple of cars wanting to join the road, so just checking our mirrors a good time. And at the next roundabout, we're going to take the first exit off to the left. Thanks for watching. Book your driving lessons in Romford with ALFIE'S Driving School today. Our slots fill up fast, so get in touch to secure your driving instructor today.